This is a simple and fast review of the Hotligh 8324 magnetic aluminum flashlight. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying. So as we get this out of its box, let's see, comes with a brief start guide so you can understand it if I can open it up. Quick start guide on kind of how to operate it. USB-A to USB-C charging cable, decent length. And it looks like a variety of different buttons and stuff like that to press and play with here. So very cool lighting. You got your black light, got a front light with a variety of levels. USB-C charging on the port on the side. Assuming this opens up. I'll have to figure that out, but it definitely does open up. We'll have a kind of a little hook here. It does not expand to just put onto your pocket. Trying to figure out. Nope. Wow, that actually gets warm, so be aware that if you're running this for a while and then you put it in your pocket, that will be a little bit warm, warm to the touch. And I know there is a way here, there we go, that's kind of the rechargeable batteries that are in there that can be swapped out for your AA's. So you'll just kind of click that, and that does lock, it looks like, so that you, yep, so just turn that to the left. So turn left, and then you'll press to unlock, close it, and lock it. And I'm trying to figure out, so I guess I'm gonna have to read my guide to see what kind of lighting that is on the front. All right, so I got to figure it out. So single press is going to give me this UV light. A double press is going to give me my spotlight. Now, if you hold that button down, it will go down to a dim and it'll double flash at its lowest. And if you hold it down some more, it'll flash again at its peak. So you know it's at the peak. And again, single and double. And just a simple holding it down on either one will kind of take you through those modes, just so you know. And it's really cool. So I got to figure out the red, blue, and green here, but it seems like it's an RGB that floats around on a double press of that. Yep, and that's what it is. So single press is there, double press, and it'll take me into the red, green, blue, and all those other beautiful colors. So giving you an idea of the lighting here on my backyard from the main piece. At the brightest light, it's really big. It's not obviously a spot, it's more of a flood. And then we'll just go ahead and hit the double to give you the idea on the front of the light. That's more of your spotlight, where it does a decent job. Still, it's more of a yellowish light, but really nice. And again, just switching over. And then of course, you'll have your kind of, if you double it, you'll get those lights, and then just the regular, you can kind of see the way the UV lighting works. Pretty cool. So to me, definitely worth buying. This is a great looking light. Does all the things it's supposed to do. And so a lot of functionality on this thing. A nice cool work light that can just hook right onto your belt clip. Obviously durable. This thing is really, really cool. So to me, these types of things are invaluable. Definitely worth buying. Hopefully this review has helped you, and thanks for watching.